Well, this morning Dad said to empty one of these, I'm guessing that tote, fertilizer, just put it in the planter. But nobody really remembers what it is. If it's half 1034O, half 28, or just straight 1034O. But we'll dump it in, because that's what he wants. And we're planting his field now, so whatever. It smells like 1034O though. Get the telehandler, get that lifted up and over the planter and get it in. I don't know where I parked the telehandler. Only go one way. Try not to get all sticky. Alright, success. Well, everybody's going tonight. We got moved to this next field. Dad brought me the semi. Spreading fertilizer over there. There's dust going all over. So we're still planting away. Done 27 acres in this field. Doesn't seem like a lot, but the 8-row planter, it takes a while to get something done. It takes a long time to do the end rows in this field too. Now that was 15 acres by the time I got the end rows done. Dad's got this 70 ready to plant, fit down enough. And another 50 across the road ready to plant. And then hopefully start fitting some bean ground or corn stubble to plant beans tomorrow. Because I'll probably get this done tonight. But first I gotta go home and put the boys to bed. So we'll do that and I'll come back. We'll keep on planting. It's going pretty good. Planting real nice. The auto steer is working most of the time. It's giving me some fits every once in a while. But we're going good. It's the next day now and we're switching varieties of seed now because I planted some of Dad's corn last night. Now I'm planting some of my corn, so we're gonna switch pallets of seed on the semi and get back to planting hopefully. Dad got about 100 acres fit this morning, roughly. Part of it's gonna have to get hit again. We have to fit a lot of our ground twice. I can't see real good. Hope I don't stick a fork through the seed bag. Ah, we got her. Oh, like a glove. And also don't hit the semi behind me. Oh, good God, is it hot though? Like 90 degrees. Hotter than the Dickens. Just barely made that one. Oh, we gotta get filled up full of fertilizer again. I don't know if I ever showed you our hand washing station we rigged up here. It's a Baylor preservative applicator. There's just a hose on it. Turn the switch on. Works really well. You just put some water and some dish soap in there, and it's super nice to be able to wash your hands off the truck all the time. Have fresh, well, not drinking water, but a fresh place to wash your hands. And you just close it up, turn the pump off, and that's it. Man, is it hot. The AC in this tractor is not keeping up. And it's like 90 degrees out. Sweating profusively. We're gonna get out here and check some seat depths. The road units seem to be bouncing around quite a bit, so let's get some checking in. Right there. About 2 inches. I think we're gonna put some more down pressure on. All right. Planting today is we had that down wheat last summer. You could definitely tell where we had the windrows going crossways across the field. Probably shouldn't have done that. We didn't end up baling them anyway. I just sold that straw. The neighbor needed it and I didn't. So, but yeah, you can. The camera's probably not gonna pick it up, but it's awfully lumpy where them windrows were. Must have been wetter there. Overall, since I put the down pressure down a little bit, it's planting real nice now. Probably should have done that a little bit sooner, but it is what it is. The last fill I did, I switched varieties. What we had before was a real small seed, and that did not plant well. Singulation was terrible. But this, we switched back to a bigger seed size, and it's planting much better now. Singulation is 99.3. Well, it's got some skips. Row 3 is my problematic one. That one is always giving me trouble. Of course, right now it's at 100%. Of course. Dad moved down to Sylvania, and fields down there, he said, are pretty weedy, and the weeds are clumping up in the field cultivator. So I don't know what he's gonna have to do there. Get the disc, cut up the weeds, or fit it, let them dry clumps dry back out, hit it again. I don't remember what kind of weed that is, but every year in that sand down there, they're very prevalent. Terrible. We're done with that field, so I'm gonna go home, help put the boys to bed. I don't know what I'm gonna do. It's the next day and we're planting again. I don't think we're gonna be planting too long because it don't look fantastic. I think we're gonna get a little bit wet here. A couple of sprinkles been hitting the windows, so get what we get, but I got a full pallet of seed on the back of that truck there. I like to live dangerously. I put it in when it starts raining. I'll have plenty of time to let that truck build air before it gets rained on. Woo, that don't look good. Woo, that don't look good at all. I should probably start that truck. We're racing. The ground is kind of weird today at this field. There's a hard crust on top and then wet underneath, so the field cultivator is going to skip across the top or go underneath and bring up that mud. I think we fit this field 3 times, so some parts are real fine, some of it's still kind of lumpy. It's playing okay, I guess, but should be better. Well, this looks like a pretty bad storm on the radar, so we're gonna fold up and put this stuff inside. Dad's here, he's moving the semi now. Getting windy. Oh, Dad's gonna lose his tarp too. Oh shit. Hold on. Getting backed in here. This is the other barn we keep all of our stuff at. Stacker back there, mower, combine, Great Plains drill, grain cart. Good. So we'll finish folding this planter now, and it's all purple on the radar. Now we'll get this folded up. Get this inside. I think it'll fit. Turn my front wheel assist off. Steer easier. And there we go. Now let's hope this ain't like that the Millennial Farmer put all the stuff in the barn and the barn blew down. That was terrible. This is a steel barn, so it should be stronger, but yeah, I just seen that yesterday, or it happened yesterday. That sucks. Alright, thanks for watching. Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe. See you later, everybody. Thanks for watching.